Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Unice Hair once again. So this is the packaging as usual, very clean, very professional. It's the same look. These are the goodies that I got inside. I got an edge brush and comb, a pair of wig caps, HD wig caps. I got a branded elastic headband, and this is today's wig. I got the Bye Bye Knots Water Wave 7x5 lace closure wig. All right, it has an elastic drawstring in the back, so it's the perfect glueless wig for beginners. It's 180% in density and it's 24 inches long. Everything is pre-done already, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached knots. It's literally so immaculate. I absolutely love it. I was showing you guys how to adjust the string in the back, and the front came with like pre-done baby hairs and everything, which I definitely embraced today because it's been a minute since I've rocked baby hairs. So in the back I was just adjusting the string, very straightforward. I showed you guys initially there how to adjust it. You literally pull the big knob to how tight you want it to be and secure it with a smaller knob, and then I usually just tuck away the string beneath the cap, and that's it. Now once that's done, it makes the wig so snugged and everything looks way more undetectable. There's no product that you need to add to let this lay. It lays just as is now. Look at the security, no shifting whatsoever, so that's very secure, and I do love a good drawstring constructed glueless wig. I'm just combing through the baby hair just to give it more of a soft effect here, and literally that makes it look way more natural. This is how it looks straight out of the packaging. This is how the curls look. No product added, no nothing. It's perfect. It's perfect to just go ahead and rock it just like this in its dry state, and you could say this is look number one. No effort, very low effort, very straightforward, very beginner friendly. For the first style, I actually did two ponytails at the top. Very easy, very straightforward. This was giving more of an upbeat kind of look, something very fun, and you know, yeah, I always love doing this look too. Like, it's a go-to for sure. So yeah, and everything looks so realistic, and the wig looks as if it was laid with adhesive, so that is amazing. That's it for look number 2 basically. So now we're gonna get into look number 3. What I did for this was just, instead of 2 I did 1. So everything is super easy. Like, nobody should watch this video and be like, oh my gosh, this is so complicated to follow. No, it's very easy, very to the point. Anybody can get these looks done. You do not need to go to a salon. Look number 4, I went ahead and did an updo, leave 2 little pieces of hairs in the front. This is something that I've done quite a bit before and I always love it. It's very low maintenance, no effort, but still very cute. For the final look for this wig, I went ahead and I said, you know what, let me give it a nice wet look. So I was just laying the top there with my hot comb, and then I went in with water, with my spray bottle afterwards, just water, and I sprayed throughout the entire wig. If you want it to stay with the wet look for a very prolonged period, then you could add like conditioner or mousse, and this always works, at least for me. So that's all you need to do and you'll have a very lasting wet look. Once I'm done, this is how everything looks. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. There was minimal shedding, so that's something to note, but just minimal. It really wasn't a lot. But yeah, this is today's wig. Shout out to Unice for this bomb wig. If you guys are interested in this wig, the direct link will be down below. All the specifications will be listed. If there are any deals, any sale going on, that will be listed. That's it for today's look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.